Is your Android's microphone refusing to pick up your voice? Let's get it working again. First, let's ensure the apps you're using have permission to access your microphone. Head into your phone's settings. Then tap on Apps or Applications. Find the specific app that's having microphone trouble, like your voice recorder or caller ID app. Tap on it. And then look for permissions. Make sure the microphone permission is toggled on if it's already on. Try turning it off and then back on again. This often resets the permission and can fix the issue. Next, let's check your main microphone settings. Go back to your main settings menu and search for microphone or sound. You might find an option for microphone or sound input. Ensure your primary microphone is selected. Sometimes a phone might have multiple microphones, and the wrong one could be inadvertently chosen. Also, check if there's a noise suppression or echo cancellation feature that might be too aggressively filtering out your voice. Try disabling these temporarily to see if it helps. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Obstructions can prevent your microphone from working properly. Gently clean the microphone hole on your phone. This is usually a tiny hole located at the bottom of your device, sometimes near the charging port. Use a dry, soft brush, like a clean toothbrush, or a can of compressed air to carefully blow away any dust or debris. Be gentle and avoid poking anything metallic into the hole. A quick restart can often resolve temporary software glitches that might be affecting your microphone. Simply press and hold your phone's power button and select Restart. Once your phone has booted back up, test your microphone by making a call or recording a short voice note. Another possibility is a low battery. In some cases, a critically low battery can affect the functionality of internal components like the microphone. Plug your phone in and let it charge for a bit, then try using the microphone again. If the issue persists after these steps, it's worth testing the microphone in different applications. Try using a voice recorder app, making a phone call, and see if your voice assistant can hear you. If the microphone works in some apps but not others, the problem is likely with the app permissions. If it doesn't work in any app, it might indicate a more significant issue. If you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and your microphone is still not working, it's possible there's a hardware problem with your phone's microphone. In this case, it's best to contact your phone manufacturer or a trusted repair service for assistance.